Welcome to Noel Fragranz, a picturesque villa community in Kerala where clean energy meets innovation. SolX Green Energy, in collaboration with Enphase, has brought advanced solar solutions, ensuring sustainable and efficient energy for the residents.
In this project, we have utilized the Enphase microinverter technology known for its reliability and performance. To address the unique challenge of transferring solar power to the common metering room, SolX has designed a custom-made solution for the society wherein an automatic meter reader and a common metering display unit is utilized at the electrical room.
സോളാറിലേക്ക് മാറിയത് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് വളരെ ആദായകരവും പ്രയോജനകരവുമാണ്. ഇപ്പോൾ ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് വളരെ ചെറിയ തുകയ്ക്കുള്ള ബിൽ മാത്രമാണ് ലഭിക്കുന്നത്. ഓൾമോസ്റ്റ് സീറോ എന്ന് വേണമെങ്കിൽ പറയാം. അതിന് താങ്ക്സ് പറയേണ്ടത് സോളക്സിനോടാണ്. ഈ സിസ്റ്റം വളരെ വിശ്വസനീയമാണ് എന്ന് മാത്രമല്ല, ഇതിൻ്റെ ഓരോ പാനലിലും എത്ര ഊർജം ഉൽപ്പാദിപ്പിക്കുന്നുവെന്ന് മോണിറ്റർ ചെയ്യുവാനും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ പവർ സേവ് ചെയ്ത് എന്തുമാത്രം പവർ സേവ് ചെയ്തെന്ന് കാണുവാനും നമുക്ക് കഴിയും. ഇതിന് ഉപയോഗിച്ചിരിക്കുന്ന ടെക്നോളജിയും സോളക്സിൻ്റെ പ്രൊഫഷണലിസവും സപ്പോർട്ടും വളരെ ആകർഷകരമാണ്. വലിയ കോംപ്ലക്സ് എന്ന് തോന്നിക്കുന്ന ഒരു പ്രോസസ്സിനെ വളരെ നിസ്സാരവും ഈസിയുമായി മാറ്റി എന്നുള്ളതാണ് ഇതിൻ്റെ പ്രത്യേകത.
Actually, in our community, when we decided to go for solar production, we had a lot of challenges here because we were not having enough space for drawing the electrical cable from each villa to the KCB substation. So we found it is very difficult for us to go ahead. So we evaluated different vendors, and why we went to SolX for our installation was mainly their deep technical knowledge in the field and expertise in the field, and also their providing the Enphase technology with their pioneered with. And the solution what they provided solved our issue of pulling cable, and they provided with energy metering system. Their professionalism and ability to think beyond the conventional way of doing things made us install all the solar system in our each villa and the common area, and we are really proud of having them with us for this job.
The Enphase storage system is a key component of the solar installation, offering homeowners a reliable and efficient way to store and manage their energy needs. One of the distinctive features about this Enphase battery is homeowners can start small scale and add their storage capacity based on their evolving energy needs. The storage system integrates seamlessly with the solar panels, storing excess energy generated during the day for use at the night or during power outages. This is not only enhance energy independence but also helps to reduce electricity bills by optimizing energy usage. This technology is a game changer for anyone looking to achieve energy resilience while contributing to more sustainable future.
Enphase is proud to collaborate with SolX, our esteemed platinum installation partners. This recognition is reserved for those who consistently demonstrate exceptional technical expertise, innovation and commitment to quality in their solar projects. SolX's recent project in this villa community in Kerala is a shining example of their capabilities. By integrating Enphase microinverters and our state-of-the-art battery technology, SolX has provided a solution that combines efficiency, reliability and scalability. Their understanding of advanced solar technologies and their ability to implement them flawlessly is what makes them a trusted partner in solar energy space. Their dedication to delivering superior installations while addressing complex energy challenges sets them apart as a leader in the market. We at Enphase are thrilled to support SolX as they continue to raise the bar for solar energy in Kerala.
In addition to the Noel Fragranz project, SolX has completed impactful solar installations at nearby apartment complexes, further demonstrating our commitment to clean energy. Together with Enphase, SolX is redefining solar energy for residential communities. From cutting-edge technology to tailored solutions, we are powering a sustainable future for Kerala.